Hi, Brittany. Let's take a look at completing the Manage a SharePoint Site assignment. You can see on the screen I'm already on our course's Blackboard site. I'm at the announcement section just because there's an easy link here, but however you want to find that SharePoint link, either through the assignment guide or within the assignment section on Blackboard is fine. All of the links go to the same place. So I'm going to click this link here. I've already logged into SharePoint, so it'll just advance me to the spot that I need to be at. Now, because I'm the instructor, I see all of the team folders. You should see the blue team folder. And next to, or sort of off to the side from the blue team, you see the 3 dots. That's what I want you to click. And then you can click Share there. In the instructions, I ask you to use the Share button up here in the upper right-hand corner. They're both the equivalent action. I just want you to try something new since the last one didn't go through. Okay, so now we need to type in your partner's name. So I'm going to look up Shelly. Let's see. Oh, it's not going to find her. So maybe let's do her first name last. There she is. All right, so we're going to select your partner's name from the list. It's like email where you start typing in a name, it tries to recognize it. So I'm going to select your partner's name. And then in the body of the message, you're going to have to forgive me. I can't remember exactly what we're supposed to type. In the assignment guide, it tells you there's an exact phrase I want you to use. But because I'm doing this for practice, I'm going to say, "Hi, Shelly. This is Penny just practicing." And then I'm going to go ahead and send this message by clicking the Share button here. Notice that in this share action, we're sharing all of the contents of the blue folder. So we're not individually sending a share permission for any individual document or spreadsheet or anything like that. It's for the entire folder. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click Share. Now, as the sender of that message, I won't receive anything, but Shelly will receive an email then from me with my name on it, just like the one that you sent me and I replied back when you earlier had to share with me. It's that same sort of setup. Now you're just sharing it with a fellow student. So if you go ahead and give those steps a try. Email me after it's done, and I'll check in with Shelly to see that it goes through properly. And I greatly appreciate you contacting me about this so that we can make sure it works for you as well as everybody in the class. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.